Oh, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Hessen Antique. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. I'm going to turn it over. Going through the bottom. Looks like we got bagged items inside. Alright, so we can set this aside for now. Alright. Good idea. Again, Hessen Antique. So how should we do this? It's a two-page manifest. I'm going to try to go through in order. That might be easier this time. So bear with me while I search through stuff here. Okay. So what we got multiple items in this one. Alright, so item number one here, you can see a label for hanging. Looks like a BW Bundeswehr Survival Vest, Flecktarn, GEBR. This is Sturm, Handels GmbH, Germany. German Fleck Camo Field Vest used. Okay, Kohler. Tag there, snaps down the front. Plus I see a zipper already. And this was listed on the site, yeah, German Flecktarn Camo Vest used. Okay, zipper's in good shape. You can see the insides. No inner pockets, so let's look at the outside here. We got shoulder epaulettes with hook and latch Velcro attachments on both sides. Get that little fluff off of there. Looks like we got a spot for name tape. We got pocket there, two snaps, no bellows, a little bit at the bottom. Symmetrical on this side, two snaps, and again, well, no, this one has outer bellows, so does this one, so correction to that. Outer bellows at the annals at the bottom. On this side, instead of name tape, we have a very small utility pocket. Bellows on the sides, but not the bottom. Double stitched instead. And I don't see any lower pockets. On the back is plain. We have a couple of vent holes on each side, it looks like, and they're stitched over as opposed to having grommets. So German Flecktarn Camo Field Vest used. We'll set this aside up here for now. Next up should be German G3 Old Style magazine pouch. Quantity 2. That's what these are in this bag. They do have some sort of residue on them, so I'll try not to handle them too much until I clean them up. Some oxidation or some sort of paint transfer there. Also oxidation on the rivets. This one also has that kind of residue material on there. You just have to wash it off. be some sort of paint or powder residue, depending on where these were stored. So you can also see the kind of rubberized straps and these stud flaps, as well as on the back the suspender kind of rectangular D-ring, and these belt loop types straps as well. So again, German G3 old style magazine pouch times 2. Next up, I believe, is this one here in its separate bag, listed as BW, Bundeswehr style Flecktarn Pilot's helmet bag, new. So this is Sturm MIL-TEC, so commercial, but I got it more for its functional aspect than its authenticity. So let's get it out of the bag at this direction. Tape. These off there. Okay. Alright, so you'll see Flecktarn style pattern, grab handle, large zipper, as you can see here, because it is for a helmet. We got a Sturm label, MIL-TEC. Inside, what do I see here? Oh, desiccant pouch. Small little pocket here. Another one on this side, so you can put accessories for your helmet. And then we have a shoulder strap, expandable. Curious to see what sort of metal components we have here. They are magnetic, so they are steel. Yep. Okay, the outer pockets. Looks like there are Velcro and snap. Looks like we have 2 of those. And they go down to here. On this side, that would face yourself while traveling, carrying. It's pretty much flush except for the seam here. So, and this is our kind of pleated bottom right there. Alright, so again, Bundeswehr style Flecktarn Pilot's helmet bag, new. Set this aside. Let's put that up here, and we can put this with it. Alright. Next up is a MIL-TEC Tropical Camo field cap. That would be this. So you can see Bundeswehr logo there. Looks like a plastic label hanger. MIL-TEC. Okay. And then we got our material tags there. So insides, we got 2 vents on either side with grommets, and you can see the curved pattern there on the material, as well as the tropical camo pattern. It does fit, so cool. So again, MIL-TEC version of the tropical camo field cap. Set that over here for now. Next up is an East German NVA Brown Army hand towel. So this is actually a pretty nice sized towel. And you can see NVA logo right there, as well as the color scheme with the chevrons, the green stripes, the orange, and the brown. Here we got a label by MMB. Okay, I don't know if you can see that website on the label there. And, okay, so again, East German NVA Brown Army hand towel. Maybe a repro. So I'll set that over here. Alright, what else we got? Original East German NVA gray vinyl greatcoat straps. 2 of these. Let's see that. So they're kind of that rubbery vinyl material. Metallic loops up here. I'm not sure how magnetic they are, and I've misplaced the magnet already. So I do believe these are aluminum. So we'll go with that for now. And you see how these are attached here as well. So again, 2 of the original East German NVA gray vinyl greatcoat straps. Put those in there. Then we should have buried under here. I know we took it out. Our work area here isn't that big. There it is. We have kind of the olive drab version of the East German Army Summer Field Cap. So you can see the East German logo there. The manufacturer information, kind of the NVA and the code info, as well as this little hanger loop there. So, East German Army Summer Field Cap. Side here, and getting on to page 2 for this box, the last item, British Army MTP Mark IV Tactical Vest, used. This came in its own bag here. Alright, it's really good shape. A little dusty. I'm not going to try to open too much on it. Let's see if we can get to see the labels here without me having to adjust it too much. The print's kind of faded on there, but it's definitely got the information there. Let's see if I can get this into view. Trying to see if it's Exeter, or I might be. Okay, Armor Osprey. Can't read that word. Combat Body. Might be filler. To be used. Yeah. Those are kind of the instructions on how to use this. Got an NSN number, care instructions, continuation of care instructions on this side. Actually, it's a duplicate of the label, but it's even more faded. So let's quickly look at this. Here's the shoulder area. Yeah, this is definitely aged right here. Kind of dried out. You can see how this taped on section here is aged and rotated. We got tape on this D-rings. You see the molly. You see the hook and latch Velcro panel attachments. Zipper area here. I don't want to spread too much dust everywhere. Looking quickly at the back, you can see snap-on attachments for more additional panels. And snaps up here. Possibly for quick release. Yeah, this whole thing will separate here with this hook and latch. Like so. So you can quickly ditch this if you have to. So just a quick look at the last item here. This is British Army MTP Mark IV Tactical Vest used. And going backwards, we had the East German Army Summer Field Cap. Correction. We also had 2 of the original East German NVA gray vinyl greatcoat straps. Here we have the East German NVA Brown Army hand towel, MIL-TEC Tropical Camo field cap. We also had Bundeswehr style Flecktarn pilot helmet bag. 2 of the German G3 old style magazine pouches. Let's get one of these out of here. And then we had started off with the German Flecktarn camo field vest used. So get that in the view as well. And these all came from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Hessen Antique. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, mil-serv tools, and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. We do some more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.